Hello friends, welcome to my craft class. Today I am going to teach how to make a flower vase using eggshells. The materials required for making the flower vase are some eggshells, empty bottle, fabric glue, Fevicol, brush and fabric paints. First, you can take the bottle of your choice and cut the top area like I have done like this. After you have cut the bottle, take the eggshells. Don't break the eggshells before and keep. You have to break the eggshells from in to out. Lay them on the newspaper or cardboard. At a time, break 1 or 2 eggshells. You should wash the eggs very nicely and dry them in the sun before using it for the craft work. Take a flat brush. Take Fevicol in a container and dilute it with water. Take the bottle you have cut and start pasting the eggshells. You have to paste them very close. If you touch the paste on the top of the eggshells, they will touch to your finger, so avoid putting the paste on the top of the eggshell. Gradually cover the whole flower vase with the eggshells. When you are pasting the eggshells, leave as little distance between the two shells as possible. Go on laying them as close as possible. If you find they are not firm, press them with your thumb. Go on laying the eggshells. Try to place them as close as you can. If you leave a gap in between, you can later on add a small piece. You can also push them close with your fingers if you have not placed them very close. It requires lot of patience, but the result you will see is amazing. You see, this way you have to cover the whole flower vase. can also use a dark color bottle if you like. If you use a dark color bottle, you can see the shells very nicely. So in this way, you have to cover the whole area of the flower vase. This is how it is going to look like. I have covered the vase fully. After I have covered the vase, to make it strong, I am going to coat it with fabric glue. So here I have fabric glue. I am going to take it in a small plate. Pour slightly water. Coating it with fabric glue will give it shine and it will protect the flower vase from water. So just start coating. After it is dried only you have to do. You have to let it dry for about half an hour. I have given one layer inside the flower vase also. After you have coated, wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the fabric glue to dry. Now you can paint some design on this flower vase. You can take some fabric paints. You can either cover the whole flower vase with paint or just make a small design. It is your choice. I have decided to make a small design. Dip the brush in the paint and just remove the excess paint along the edges. Go in a stroke from out to in. You can also paint just dots, just lines or a single color, your choice. Wash the paint from that brush and take green color. The flower vase is ready. You can put some natural flowers.